the add-ons to the phone.
What is this?
The add-on to the phone? You put in the phone.
and we got the water. Pretty good. Oh wow. So what do you think of this place?
It's amazing.
He's locked in.
You can work out like into life.
Dude, yeah, he can. This dude messed up our drinks. Embarrassing. Check it out.
Get this, guys. Laced.
Thank you, Richard.
Oh wow, the green straw. That's so nice of you, Richard.
Not bad.
Let's peek this out.
I think the fried rice and the Thai tea. Pretty sure.
Oh wow.
She's you here too?
Yeah.
So what's your favorite dish here?
I don't know. No filming.
Don't you work here?
No. Dip the meat in it. Or do you like that?
We got the fried rice. Max Prestige sauce.
Why should you mix it, bro?
Alright, so we just tried Richard's what's the restaurant called?
For a little Saigon.
Ooh. And we tried some good dishes, you know. Would you like to name them, Rich?
They tried the shrimp fried rice and the pho, beef pho.
I really enjoyed the beef pho. You know, being able to cook the meat in the pho was pretty crazy, you know, pretty crazy experience, you know. I think my life changed from that, you know. And the sauce went crazy. It was so wacky, like, so good. So good. And the fried rice, you know, usually I'm not a big fan of shrimp, but, you know, I guess my taste buds change over time, you know, as like
I gotta say, the fried rice is the star of the show.
The star of the show?
Yeah.
I wouldn't say that. I think the pho was way better. I think the pho is the star of the show. Like,
Dude, that's not the point I got. I was getting tired of the pho.
Oh.
The fried rice. Nah, I like the pho, but like...
That's why you gotta eat both simultaneously. So like...
Yo, what the...
Pause. Yeah, the pho was definitely the star of the show in my opinion. You know, the beef. Oh, the beef you can see in the video. Oh, the Thai, pretty good Thai. You know, but not as good as the Delightful Cafe.
You never even tried it.
Not as good as the Delightful Cafe. Pull up to Delightful Cafe any day, anytime. I'll be there. And you know, that's the end of today's video. You know, Richard's restaurant, little Saigon.
I'll give you guys note cards.
Oh, no cards.
You guys want menus?
Yeah.
Just to look at it?
Yeah.
Alright. Gotcha.
Alright. Thanks, bro. Get out. Both of you, get out. Go.
Sorry.
Wait here. I'll be back.
Yeah, that's the end. One like we'll go to what's a good restaurant? I don't know. K sandwiches. Wingstop. K sandwiches, Wingstop. You know, let me know in the comments, especially you, Jesus. Let us know. I'm done with this.